On a big banyan tree, there lived a little bird in her cozy nest.
This is me, a little bird. I built my nest high up in my favorite tree.
One day, she saw a giant eagle soaring across the sky.
Wow, can I ever fly that high like the eagle?
She tried very hard to fly high into the sky,
I have to try now. I can do this.
but she fell down and got hurt.
Ouch. Maybe I can't do it after all.
A wise old owl came near her.
Why are you so sad, little one?
The owl said, "You must discover the strength within you."
You are strong enough to fly. Don't believe you are weak.
She practiced flying a little every single day.
I may be small, but I'm strong. I may be small, but I'm strong.
Her bird friends came to help and support her.
Let's fly together.
At last, she soared high and reached her dream.
I did it. I'm flying.
We all have strength within. Let's face life with confidence.
Every bird has its own flight.